Broccoli and shrimp stir-fried with hoisin sauce are very easy and quick to prepare. The hoisin sauce brings a very pleasant light smoky flavor. Put half teaspoon of salt on the shelled shrimp. Add 1 teaspoon of Shaoxing cooking wine. Mix. Separate the broccoli head from the stem. Cut the flowers into chunks. They should be neither too big nor too small. Peel the stem. And cut it into chunks. Wash them. Prepare 3 tablespoons of hoisin sauce. It is also called Chinese barbecue sauce. Crush 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns. Chop 5 cloves of garlic. Blanch the broccoli pieces in boiling water with 1 tablespoon of salt. Leave them for 2 minutes. Drain them. In a pan, heat it over high heat. Put 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, add half the chopped garlic. Stir. As soon as the garlic starts to be golden, add the shrimp. Constantly stir for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Keep aside. In the same pan, still on high heat, put 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, add the other half of the chopped garlic. Stir. As soon as it starts to be golden, add the broccoli. Briefly stir. Add a half teaspoon of salt and the black pepper. Mix for 1 minute. Now add the hoisin sauce. 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing cooking wine and 3 tablespoons of water. Mix for 1 minute. Add the shrimp. Stir for 20 seconds. And turn off the heat. Enjoy this dish with jasmine rice. Bon appétit! The sauce permeates the broccoli. They are tender and crunchy at the same time. The black pepper brings its delicious fragrance without being hot. Thank you. See you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.